Hello, welcome to uh, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Ear Sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Let's start your reading. If you want to book personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ako meron akong astrological reading na available. Pero hanggang end of August ka na lang siya available ha. Ayan, actually July ang nakalagay dito, binura ko na. Hanggang August na siya. Ayan, kasi medyo open pa naman ang schedule ko this August. So, i-screenshot mo na lang yung papel kanina na pinakita ko. What we have here for ear sign. Six of Wands. Wait lang guys. Ace of Coins, the Five of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Oh. Page of Swords. This is your Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is general love reading, guys. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Nakita ko ng challenges sa'yo ngayon. Like, maybe a lot of, ang daming mga pinagagawa, madaming kalaban. Pwedeng some of you do have some kind of new beginning na pwedeng new beginning pagdating sa career or something na pwedeng dapat gagawain mo pero hindi mo magawa-gawa because ang daming kalaban, ang daming kahati sa oras, ang daming dapat unahin, you know what I mean? And with the Eight of Cups, I feel like you're thinking about the future. Kaya nagfo-focus ka sa present mo ngayon eh. Kasi you want this future na maging mas mabunga, mas maganda. With the Six of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, I feel like pagdating sa love, honestly, wala kang pakialam. You care more about yourself. Some of you might be shopping more clothes or something na mas makakapagpaayos pa sa'yo as a person. You're trying to pamper yourself. Yung iba naman maybe, yung iba naman pwedeng may kinalaman sa career. If you do have a business, maybe you're focusing on your business, on your shop, something to do with shop. Kasi I just saw that word, so maybe eto, bago ka manood, pwedeng nag-shopping ka muna. So, something to do with shopping. Or maybe, either it's because additional sa business mo, or maybe because you just want something na may additional sa pagpapaayos or pagpapaganda sa sarili mo. So, something to do with shopping. And, pagdating sa person na to, you don't care. You might be dealing with the person with the Page of Swords energy. And naramdaman mo yon. Page of Swords is like parang batang energy. So, maybe na-realize mo, masyado naman siyang bata. Masyado siyang wishy-washy. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto niya mangyari. That kind of feeling na pwedeng naramdaman mo towards this person. Kaya parang wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Whoever this person is, whether may kakonek ka or wala, you're dealing with someone na sa ngayon wala kang pakialam sa kanya. The Five of Wands, and this is about changes, about sa surroundings mo, sa paligid mo, na maaaring ginagawa mo, and this is because you're thinking about your future, focusing about the future, and alam mo na in order for you na maging maganda yung future mo, of course, you have to focus on your present moment, and that's what you're doing right now. Okay? So let's focus, or let's move on to the next part of the reading. Messages pagdating sa love. Pagdating sa love for ear sign, please. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Messages pagdating sa love, please, per kay's angel, guys. Especially ngayon, while I'm doing this reading, it's new moon. August 4 ko ginagawa itong reading na ito. Kasalukuyan new moon ngayon. And this new moon is about new beginnings. And with the Ace of Coins right here. Maybe may mga bago kang gustong simulan. Oh, this person. Could be a person in the past. Ten of Swords is here. Five of Coins. Three of Cups. Oh, this person wants to come back. Gusto niyang magkaroon ng reconciliation. Gusto niyang bumalik. Nasasaktan siya. Kung naman itong ending sa inyong dalawa, nahihirapan siya, nasasaktan siya. The King of Swords is here. Pero hindi niya pinapahalata yun. Hindi niya pinapahalata sa'yo. Hindi niya pinapahalata sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Why? Kasi the Emperor is here. Masyado siyang matigas. Masyado siyang, what do you call this? Mataas ang ego. Yeah. The Queen of Swords is also here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wait lang guys. Okay, binuksan ko lang yung ilaw. Anyway, so masyadong mataas ang ego nitong person na to. Maybe a person na actually siya yung nakita natin nag-cut off. Or siya yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng pagka-cut off, pagkakaroon ng ending. Maybe may mga ginawa siya, may mga nangyari sa inyo na siya ang may dahilan kung bakit nangyari ito. And then this person with the lovers, yeah, this person wants relationship, commitment, partnership sa inyong dalawa. With the Hierophant, marami siyang lessons na pinagdadaanan ngayon na nagiging dahilan kung bakit gusto niyang bumalik. Because maybe, yeah, I can see the word return, no? Gusto niyang bumalik because there's these areas of his or her life wherein I can see the energy of being playful or flirt. So, maybe nagbigay lang ito ng happiness sa kanya for the meantime. Maliit lang or saglit na panahon lang nagbigay ng happiness sa kanya. But yet, this person, nagmapataas siya ngayon nagmamataas. Yung nangyayari sa kanya ngayon is like parang nagkakaroon siya ng sakit. And, or, meron siyang kasalukuyang dinaramdam na sakit. And isa pa ito sa kung bakit parang nakakapanghina yung sitwasyon niya. Because maybe yung mga tao sa paligid niya is hindi nakakatulong sa kanya na ma-overcome kung ano man itong pinagdadaanan niya. This could be sakit or some of you, this could be stressful energy coming from your person. Stressful energy kasi pwedeng kung hindi man siya yung may sakit, yung bulsa niya may sakit, ganun. Especially with the Five of Coins, this is problem with regards sa money. So what is the message for you in the future? Ace of Wands is here. So there's a new beginning for you, Wheel of Fortune. Kung ano man yung new beginning na yan, I can see big change for you. Big change for you. What is the changes all about? Queen of Cups. So you will be surrounded with love, surrounded by accomplishment, success. Para sa'yo, maybe a new beginning of career, new beginning of a business. Four of Coins is here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Nakakita tayo ng some of you, you will isolate yourself. Lalayo ka sa mga taong hindi nagbibigay ng tulong sa'yo. Or if this is an ex-wife, ex-husband, so nakikita natin yung paglayo mo sa kanya kasi wala naman siyang binibigay na sustento, wala naman siya natutulong. That kind of energy. But you don't care kasi okay ka naman, komportable ka kung nasaan ka, you're happy. At peace. At pinakamaganda doon, you are at peace. Meron kang peace of mind. And I feel like someone is going to, give you comfort, shelter. No? May nakikita tayong someone who is willing to accept you for who you are, for what you have. So, if you're dealing with an ex, nakikita natin na may new person dito who would make you feel that you are the fountain. Ano ba yung fountain? Literal yan, parang fountain, wishing well. Wishing fountain. Diba yan yung fountain na maghuhulog ka ng coins and make some wish? Ito yan. This person would make you feel na ikaw ang kanyang wish fulfillment, na ikaw makakapagpasaya sa kanya. You will never feel lonely with this person. You will never feel lonely dito sa connection na ito. And in the near future, maybe this person, magbibigay din siya ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. The Chariot is here. And the Moon. This is your soulmate. Your soulmate is coming. So kung sino man ito na naging past person mo, hindi naging okay para sa'yo, there's a new one coming for you. And this is the one na magbibigay ng happiness para sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.